everyone, I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So you all know that I'm on a no-buy. And sometimes it's okay to break the rules once, because I did. I'm not gonna lie, I broke the rule once. When I seen this collaboration, I knew I had to have it. I just had to have it. And this is the Patrickstarrr X Mac collaboration. I was super excited for this when I seen this pop up online. I fell in love instantly with it. I did get the Me So Chic set. Now there's also a Me So Fleek set that my friend Dimitra from Breakups to Makeup, she did a full review, look, swatches, everything. So if you guys are more interested in those shades and just wondering how they play on the eye and that, I will leave all of her links down below for you guys to check out that video. So when I seen this, I fell in love instantly with the packaging. I just knew I had to have it. I am a sucker for packaging. 99.9% of the time, that's the real reason why I buy products, is because of the packaging. But then it's even better when the products work amazing. So that makes me super happy. But when I seen this, the packaging, I fell in love with it instantly. Not only that, this does retail for $59 Canadian, which I think is really, really good, because just for a palette from MAC with 4 shadows does retail around the $42 range. So you are getting a really good deal with all the products that are in this kit. I'm going to open it up here. They did package it up with tissue, and I just thought that was really great packaging. I'm going to open up, this here is the eyeshadow palette. As you can tell, I have no makeup on today because I am going to be doing a full look with this palette and all the products that are in the box. And here's the packaging here. So, so gorgeous. I just love the flowers, love the pink. I gravitated towards this instantly because lately I'm all about the purple shades. I just love purple, and this palette is so gorgeous. The shades in here are super beautiful. You could tell how pigmented, and like I'm not even really pressing hard at all on the shadows. So super pretty. Oh my goodness, these colors. I'm telling you, if you love purples, this is definitely right up your alley. I think this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to create a look with this palette. And here is the blush duo, and this one here is I'm Not Blushing. Love the name. Once again, love the packaging. Super, super pretty. And of course it has like a little push button, and then you just pop it open here, and really, really gorgeous shades. Really, really pretty. Once again, super, super pigmented. Really, really nice. I just love these colors. I think this is going to be a really great blush duo for the summer, just because they're beautiful, and like you have a real nice brown, but then you also have that gorgeous like coral color as well. And of course you have a nice size mirror in here as well. So all the products came wrapped in the purple tissue paper, which I thought was really great. And here we have the lip gloss and the lipstick. Once again, the packaging is beautiful. This lip gloss here is in Mascara. Really, really gorgeous. I absolutely love the scent of MAC's lipsticks and their glosses. Smells like vanilla. Really, really pretty. This here is just a really, really gorgeous. It has like a very pretty iridescent kind of gold pink flecks in it in the gloss. And then we have the lipstick, which is in Sweet Mama Star. Once again, the packaging. I wish that all MAC's lipsticks were packaged like this. I think that'd be so beautiful. This here is a beautiful nude shade, and once again, that gorgeous vanilla smell. Really, really pretty. And here is the gloss and the lipstick, which, I mean, you're not really going to see the gloss a whole lot, but what I'm going to do with the look is that I'm going to apply the lipstick first, then I'm going to apply the gloss on top of it. But really, really gorgeous. I'm so happy that I got this. It's super, super beautiful. And it also came with this little card, and what they did was they used all the products that are in the Me So Chic set. They also have a card in the Me So Fleek set as well, and the look that they created with that is absolutely stunning. And on the back of it, it says, "Spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy, XOXO Patrickstarrr." And it says it there on the back. So I'm going to get a nice little picture frame and pop it in it because I just think it's super beautiful. Now that we are up close and personal, hello. Y'all knew I was going to say it. So to start off this look, first I am going to go in with my Nars, and this is the Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I don't know why I was going to look at it to repeat it. I should know it by now. Like really, I really, really should. So I'm just going to apply this on my lids. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is right here, and I'm just taking my Marc Jacobs crease brush, and I'm just picking up a little bit of product because I am going to be applying this into my crease, and I just want to take a small amount of product at first just to build it up. That is super, super pretty. And I'm just going to take my MAC 224 brush and I'm just going to buff it out. There's no product on the brush. I'm just going to buff out that shade. Now I'm going to take this beautiful purple shade right here, and I am taking my TIGI Dome shadow brush, and I'm just going to take a small amount of the product, and I'm just going to apply it right here on my lid. So far there's no fallout, which is great. Now I'm going to go back in with my MAC 224 brush and I'm just going to blend the two colors together. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to take a small amount and apply it on my pinky because I'm going to be applying it to the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm just working it over the other shadow and just kind of blending that out. So there we go. I went ahead and popped on some lashes and some liner and some mascara. Also, I went over the purple shade again a few more times, and then with that lighter, like beautiful pinky shade, I did apply it here into the inner corner of my eyes, and then I brought it upwards, and so far I'm really loving it. If you're wondering about the lashes, they are the Vintage Cosmetics lashes. Can't remember the style. I will try to find them. I did pick them up at Winners, but you could also go on their website as well to purchase them. So if I find them, I will also have that listed down below for you guys as well. And with the blush, I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just slightly going to swirl the two colors together, and I'm just going to knock off any excess. So there we go. And now onto the lips. First, I am going to go in with MAC's lip liner in Whirl. Now I'm going to go in with the lipstick in Sweet Mama Star, which is an amplified cream lipstick. So all in all, what do I think of the Patrickstarrr and MAC collaboration in the Me So Chic set? I really love it. I love this look that I created for you guys. I love the eyeshadow palette. Absolutely beautiful, really pigmented, great quality, blend really, really nice. Also with the blush duo, I really love that. It just gave my face a really nice, soft, subtle glow. And as for the lipstick and lip gloss, I absolutely love it as well. The lip gloss, you all know that I'm really not a big fan of. I really do like certain lip glosses, but then certain ones I don't like if there's any tackiness or stickiness, but there's nothing. It feels really nice and comfortable on the lips. All in all, I am super impressed with this set. I think it's absolutely beautiful. If you guys are really thinking about getting this set, I definitely think you should. I really love the eyeshadow. Like, I am so impressed with this eyeshadow. This is like the second MAC eyeshadow palette that I've had, and the first one I had was from the Nutcracker collection, and I wasn't really impressed with that at all. Just wasn't really happy with how the colors played on my eyes and with the quality, but the quality of this palette is amazing. I absolutely love it. So stunning, super beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below if you have the Me So Chic set or the Me So Fleek set. Let me know, and let me know what you think of it. If you go ahead and recreate this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram at Nicole Chantell 32. I would love to see the looks that you guys come up with. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!